Hi, welcome to the new YouTube video. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to test and debug your Meta or Facebook Pixel on your website. So if you have a website where you have installed Meta Pixel but don't know how to verify it's working properly, or if you're facing issues and don't know how to debug those issues, you are on the right place. In today's video, I'm going to explain everything in detail. So let's start without wasting time. So first of all, if you have a website, then we have several ways of testing and testing Metapixel on the website. So the first one is to have test with Metapixel Helper, which is a Chrome extension, is a free Chrome extension. So you need to install the Metapixel Helper on your Google Chrome browser, and then you need to pin it in the extension bar here. And once you have pinned this, you need to open your website. Let's say your website, or you can go to your website where it is open, or visit to your website in any tab and just reload this website. Make sure you're visiting your own website. If you're testing on a different domain and you don't see anything in the Metapixel, it will give you a headache. So here you can see the pixel. So once you click on this Metapixel helper icon here, you will see the total number of pixel installed on this website. So currently there is only one pixel installed and the pixel ID. So first you need to verify if this pixel ID resembles the one that is in your events manager. So this one ends with 504 and this one ends with 504. That means that the correct pixel is installed, and if this gives you the green signal, that means that the pixel is working correctly. So this is the first thing. The second thing is to verify that if you have installed the events on your websites. For example, this is for testing purpose, I'm using a WooCommerce website. So where I have e-commerce set up, and I have installed all the e-commerce events like view content, add to cart, checkout, purchase, everything. So let's test all the events we have. So on the product detail page, we can see here the view content event here. This is the view content event, and inside here you can see all the event parameters here. So these are event parameters. So this is basically the data related to all the product here, and this data is used for creating audiences, which can then be used for remarketing and dynamic remarketing purposes. So let's go to the next step where we can also, so the second method of testing the pixel is to use the test events tool here. Let's clear this activity. So you need to test events. So for example, if I have set up the, for example, I have set up the conversion API here with the latest version of the Metapixel. So what I do here is I just copy this code, and then since I'm using the Metapixel helper, so pixel your site Chrome extension, sorry, WordPress plugin. So I will just have this code here. So it could be different based on the CMS you're using. So just for the purpose of this video, I'm using this. So I have added this test code here, and then I'm going to test events, and on the website I will reload this page. So here you can see the view content event is working properly, and then you have the unique event ID, which is used for event deduplication purposes for the conversion API setup. So once you have this, as you can see here, first you can verify it in here, it's working properly, and then you see that it's recording in here as well. And then as you can also see that the conversion API is working properly. So it means that this is deduplicating the events. So as you can see, we have received the same events from browser and server, but with the same unique event ID. So when it receives an event, the same event with same unique event ID, it deduplicates the one of the event. So as you can see here, the deduplication is working properly for the view content event here, the deduplication, and you can also see what user data is being sent with along with the conversion API. Let's proceed with the add to cart here, and you can see the add to cart event is recorded here. And then let's proceed with the next step, the cart, and proceed to checkout. And then you can see here this one, initiate checkout event is received, and here initiate checkout event is received. AddToCart is deduplicate, and then we will have AddToCart deduplicate as well. And then I'll just place the order here, and then we have the purchase event firing along with all the event parameters and the event ID. And here we have received the purchase event, we have the initiate checkout event with deduplication, and then we have the purchase event, and then in a while we will also receive the purchase event is deduplicated. So let's go further with this event pixel here. So if you see green tick here, it means that everything related to your meta pixel is working correctly. There are no issues. Okay, if there are multiple events installed, then it will show, for example, if you have mistakenly installed multiple purchase events on this page, then in this case it will show you yellow exclamation mark, or it will show you that you have, it will show that this purchase event is firing 2 times. But since it's firing single time, that's not showing any kind of error here. You can see the purchase is deduplicated as well. And if there is an issue with the tracking code on the website, it doesn't load properly, or if you don't see any of this pixel event here, if you see like this, nothing appears here, in that case that means that you have not installed the meta pixel correctly. So you need to double check your installation, or if you may need to clear your cache or check with your developer if it's being properly installed or not. So these are a few of the ways we can verify the Facebook pixel is being installed correctly. And inside here you can also verify if the data is coming correctly in here. So you can see all the data is coming here along with this additional user related data, which is being used for event quality match. And if you go to here, so basically it takes up to at least 30 minutes for the data to appear in here. I will just do the reload to see if the data is received or not, because in the test event setup here you can see the data right away. Right here you can see the data right away, and this includes only the activities that is happening within the same browser you are. And if you go here, you can see that all the events, because I was testing for previous time with the last 1 hour or so. So as you can see, we have the several events recorded here, and here is the event match quality as well. So this is how we can verify if the metapixel is being correctly installed on your website or not. So let me know in the comment section if you have any questions related to this metapixel tracking. Thank you.